Welcome to ID Cloud, our AI-enabled contact center software, an intelligent, omnichannel platform built to redefine customer engagement across voice, chat, email, and social channels. Engineered for enterprise performance, it is highly secure, scalable, reliable, and flexible, with deployment options on cloud, on-premises, or hybrid environments to match your business needs. The platform ensures high availability with continuous uptime and disaster recovery, safeguarding data integrity and business continuity at all times. With end-to-end encryption, PCI DSS compliance, and VAPT certification, it meets the strictest security and reliability standards. Let's start with the agent login. Agents can log in using their credentials along with soft or hard phone extensions, and also there is provision for multi-factor authentication via OTP sent on SMS, email, WhatsApp, or even voice. Once authenticated, the agent is logged into the web console, which is intuitive, responsive, and customizable. On the left, you'll find the CTI panel displaying agent status, telephony status, and session details. Each agent can manage one voice and up to 4 non-voice sessions simultaneously. Let's move to the AI-powered suite. Meet our voice bots, built to cut costs, boost productivity, and provide human-like responses. From deterministic bots that follow scripts, to generative AI bots that understand tone and intent, to agentic voice bots that think, plan, and act, resolving tasks end-to-end. For example, the voice bot can call a customer about an overdue payment. The bot verifies their details, checks records, and either resolves the query or transfers to an agent.
Hello, this is a call from ABC Bank regarding your overdue EMI payment. Am I talking to Mr. Rajkumar?
Yes, I am Rajkumar.
Thank you for confirming. This call is regarding your overdue EMI payment of 12,000 rupees for loan account number ending with 5678, which was due on 25th February 2025. Would you like to make a payment now?
I can't pay right now. I'm facing financial difficulties. Is there a way to restructure my payments?
I understand your situation, Rajkumar. We have flexible repayment options available for your loan account ending with 5678. Would you like to explore lower EMIs or an extended tenure?
Yes, I'd like to lower my EMI.
To process that, I need to transfer your call to my supervisor.
Hello, sir. I believe that you are looking to restructure your loan and lower your monthly installments.
Yes.
I have taken your request and will send it for processing. Our bank representative will contact you to complete the formalities. Anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you.
Thank you for banking with ABC Bank. Have a great day.
Let's move to the Agent Assist feature. AI Agent Assist listens, transcribes, and provides real-time suggestions based on the uploaded business-oriented knowledge bank, helping agents respond faster and more accurately. For example, if a customer looking to buy a vehicle asks about the vehicle's features, then AI suggests responses, ensuring accuracy and consistency. Now we will demonstrate AI-powered quality module. Our AI-driven quality monitoring system evaluates 100% of customer interactions across voice, email, and chat, eliminating the need for random sampling. It automates call auditing, generates AI-based summaries, and delivers real-time performance insights to supervisors. Through intuitive dashboards, CX leaders can view CSAT trends, sentiment heat maps, compliance alerts, and agent performance in one place. The system highlights process gaps, empathy scores, and red flags, while Gen AI-driven insights recommend coaching actions and improvements. With customizable dashboards for executives, QA teams, and operations, and built-in analytics to track AI accuracy, compliance, and drift, the module empowers organizations to enhance quality and ensure compliance. Let's come to the AI-powered auto email responder. Customers can email their queries, and our AI responder fetches relevant data and replies instantly. For common requests, the deterministic responder sends back instant replies with predefined, rule-based templates. The LLM responder crafts human-like, context-aware answers, just like your best agent would. If the customer needs further assistance, the email is routed to an agent with full context. Meet our Unified Flow Designer, a single visual platform to build intelligent bots, IVR, and email automation flows with ease. Using a simple drag-and-drop interface, you can design end-to-end customer journeys, from AI-driven bots to smart IVR routing and automated email responses, all without writing a single line of code. With CRM and API integrations, every workflow stays connected, consistent, and ready to scale. Let's move to Video KYC now. Video KYC allows agents to verify customer identities in real time. Agents can request documents, capture live images, and complete KYC processes without physical visits. Let's see the co-browsing feature now. When customers need help completing forms or digital journeys, agents can step in instantly with real-time guidance. With co-browsing, agents can guide customers through complex processes. Agents can mark fields, navigate pages, or take remote control, all with the customer's permission. Now, let's look at inbound call handling. When a customer dials in, the system routes the call based on skill, availability, or predefined rules. If agents are busy, the system plays queue announcements, keeping customers informed about their position in line and the estimated wait time. And for those who prefer not to wait, the callback option allows customers to request a return call while retaining their place in the queue. As the agent answers, their status changes to on call, and contextual information from the CRM and unified history appears instantly. This unified view shows all past interactions: voice, email, WhatsApp, Facebook, or chat, so the agent can continue the conversation seamlessly. Agents can place calls on hold with music, start three-way conferences, internal or external, use consultative transfers, or perform blind transfers when necessary. Once resolved, the agent selects from multi-level dispositions, adds notes, and triggers customer notifications via SMS, email, or WhatsApp. For returning customers, the Sticky Agent feature connects them directly to the same agent they've previously spoken with. On the outbound side, ID Cloud supports preview, progressive, and predictive dialers, including power and AOD modes for voice bots, IVR, or voice blast campaigns. Admins can define dialing logic, pacing ratios, retry rules, and even blend fresh and old leads dynamically. Calls can display dynamic or sticky CLIs as customized. Our dialer software integrates with CRM and adheres to DNC filtering and time zone-based dialing rules, perfect for compliance-driven industries. Our platform offers seamless integration capabilities with pre-built CRM connectors, extensive APIs, and iframe-based embeds, enabling smooth connectivity with third-party CRMs, ERPs, bots, and agent assist tools for a unified and intelligent contact center experience. Let's explore the admin console, the control hub for operations. Admins can create services, users and templates, manage campaigns, and upload leads directly via Excel, CSV, or automated SFTP sources. Lead Maintenance Scheduler automates lead management, allowing admins to refresh, recycle, or retire leads based on predefined timelines or campaign performance. This ensures active, up-to-date lead lists without manual intervention. The system offers custom dashboards, pie charts, bar graphs, heat maps, and real-time wallboards, showing queue load, agent performance, and SLA adherence. Through role-based access, managers, team leads, and supervisors can view data relevant to their teams only. Let's come to the reports section now. Accurate insights drive better decisions, and our reporting module delivers exactly that. The system includes over 23 pre-built reports covering inbound, outbound, and non-voice operations, from agent productivity to campaign performance and SLA compliance. In addition, users can create customized reports by selecting parameters, filters, and time ranges, giving complete flexibility to analyze data the way your business needs it. Reports can be scheduled to run automatically, daily, weekly, or monthly, and delivered straight to management inboxes. Capture every interaction, monitor performance, and ensure compliance with our comprehensive voice and screen recording system, enhanced with AI-driven quality audits. Our system supports both mono and stereo audio formats for voice recording, while also capturing the agent's screen during interactions. Supervisors can review these recordings to provide targeted feedback, ensure compliance with scripts and policies, or perform AI-based and manual quality audits. Under voice retrieval, recordings can be easily searched by date, service, agent, or disposition, and downloaded individually or in bulk. Perfect for audits, training, or compliance verification. Our contact center software is made in India and built by Indians, leveraging enterprise-grade technology and security to serve both Indian and global businesses. ID Cloud is brought to you by Teckinfo Solutions, an ISO 9001 and ISMS 27001 certified company. It ensures the highest standards of quality and security, empowering organizations to deliver seamless, intelligent, and secure customer experiences. Thanks for watching.